Here's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLK. Your adventurous soul finally has a soulmate. This GLK was thoughtfully engineered to be playful, smart, indulgent, spontaneous, and prepared all at once. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: V6 engine, rear-wheel drive, command AM/FM satellite prep radio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, auxiliary audio input, memory exterior door mirror settings, power telescoping steering column, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend reports the engineering and craftsmanship behind this vehicle make it deserve a closer look. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.